Hello, and welcome to God of Sports. My name is Nilaisha, and today we've got the most anticipated Yonex badminton racket collection. It's by none other than Viktor Axelsen. So, this is the third collaboration which Yonex has come up with after Lee Chongwei and Linden. And he's the third Yonex player to get his own logo, signature, and identity. He deserves it. Like, there's no hiding. He's won Olympics 2 times, he's won World Championships 2 times, he's also won All England, and he's been a European champion as well, and he's covered almost all the tournaments, and it is safe to say that he is the GOAT. Yes guys, he is the GOAT. And to honor this, Yonex has come up with his own collection from rackets, of course, shoes, you've got the apparels and the kit bags. Before we unbox these rackets, I'd just like to take some time and tell you more about these rackets in detail. So here we have the 100ZZ, we've got the Tour series, we've got the game series, but in this collection we don't have the play series anymore. So this is something which is new. Also, 2 rackets are now made in Taiwan and they are not made in Japan anymore. I'm pretty excited. I mean, it looks completely different from what we have been seeing till now. So let's see all the rackets one by one. So first, let's leave this aside. First, I'll be showing you the 100ZZ, Astrox 100ZZ racket with the VA edition. Interesting thing is that it's got a new cover altogether. There's no zip on it. It's an elastic form. Here we have the Yonex signature logo. Here we have got the VA logo, which is of course for Viktor Axelsen. And here is the official signature of the GOAT, Viktor Axelsen. So let's remove the cover. I mean, the cover is pretty decent. So here's the racket. Let's remove the plastic. Wow, I mean, this racket does have some royal touch to it. I'm not kidding. So here we can see the Astrox 100ZZ and the signature of Viktor Axelsen over here, and it's completely similar to the 100ZZ which we have been seeing in the market, be it the Kurenai color, be it the dark navy color as well. It's just there's some cosmetic changes being made, and this is purely dedicated to Viktor Axelsen. The racket looks pretty sleek. It's got a matte finish. So the color which you can see on the racket, it's called as a grayish beige color, and it's got dark and light green color accents all over the racket. The finish is completely matte, it's not glossy at all. On the frame of the racket, you'll see 100ZZ VA written over here on both the sides at 7 o'clock region and 5 o'clock region. Then we have got the hyper slim shaft, which is of course the specialty of 100ZZ, written over here. The cap which you see over here is the energy boost cap, standard energy boost cap, which will give you good grip and stability while hitting shots. Coming to the frame, we've got the rotational generator system written over here. We've got the isometric shape, again the same things. Seeing at the grommets pattern, it's standard 76 grommet racket, and it's got 2 color shades. Over here at the neck, you can see 4 transparent grommets, and rest is covered with black grommets. So again, regarding the boost, regarding the cap, previously in 99 Pro we did see a new cap which was called as the light end cap, but in 100ZZ VA we see the same standard butt cap over here with Japan written, which signifies this racket is made in Japan. And of course, all the pro rackets whichever are in the market are made in Japan. On the cone, we've got the PBSI logo. We've got the Yonex hologram, justifying that this product is 100% original. And we at God of Sports only deal in original products, so no issues regarding whatsoever. And we have got the engraving of the number on the cone over here. I can really feel it when I use my finger. Yep. So overall, this racket looks pretty amazing. I mean, the color itself is so elegant. white, green, and I mean it resonates with his identity. with Viktor Axelsen's identity for sure. I mean, yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna test this racket for a couple of weeks and then I'm gonna come up with the review. But here are more surprises. So if you see this label which was there on the frame, it's got a special message from Viktor Axelsen to his fans, of course. I'm just gonna see what the letter is about. To be honest, I was more excited to see the letter than the racket. So I'm gonna slowly remove this cap and we're gonna see what's the letter all about. I honestly thought that it's not true, but the moment I saw the cover, I was like, okay, we've got the racket, we have got a letter. So envelope with VA's Viktor Axelsen's symbol. Wow, the card looks really amazing. I mean, this shades of green and white really go well. Again, we have a symbol over here. Okay, so this is the letter. I'm gonna read it to you guys. It says September 2025. To my fellow badminton fan, badminton has always been more than a sport to me. It's a journey of growth, connection, and finding joy in every challenge. Along the way, I've learned that pushing boundaries take dedication, belief, and an openness to learning. To me, the VA collection with Yonex represents the joy I find in every challenge, and I hope it can act as a reminder that you too can overcome any obstacle and achieve more than you ever thought possible. So as you step off the court, ask yourself, what kind of fun did you have out there today? Let's keep pushing forward, enjoying every step of the way. The best is yet to come. Sincerely yours, Viktor Axelsen, and there's his signature. So here's the letter. I'm just gonna decide. So I'll be back after 2 weeks and give you a complete review of how this racket performed. I've been using the 100ZZ Kurenai on and off for the last say 2 years, and I really want to try how this racket feels. I'm gonna string this racket with X-Bolt 63 at 28 lbs tension, which is I prefer usually. So we'll be there in the next video for sure. Till then, let's unbox the rest 2 rackets, the Tour series and the Game series. So let's start with the Tour. So again, it's got the same cover. It's got the Yonex logo, VA symbol, and his signature. It's completely the same cover, no difference at all till here. And okay, another new thing by Yonex, I guess. So before this, if you see any model, be it 99 Pro, 88D Pro, Nano Flare series, any racket used to have the same color, be it the Pro series, Tour series, Game, or the Play series. In looks, they used to look completely same, but here the Tour series looks a bit different. I mean, it's completely different, not a bit different. It's got this olive green cosmetics, but the finish is matte, and rest all looks the same. Here we have the Nanomesh Neo rotational generator system, the Astrox 100 Tour VA symbol over here at 5 o'clock and at 7 o'clock. The finish is completely same. We can see the energy boost cap. And other thing, I think from this year onwards, for all the new models, even the Tour series are gonna be manufactured in Taiwan. They are not gonna get manufactured in Japan. So on the sticker, you can clearly see it's written over here. Country of origin is Taiwan and not Japan, and that's the reason why the butt cap also doesn't have Japan written over here. And if in terms of looks, it looks really premium. Again, olive green color with light green and white accents. If I have to compare it with the 100ZZ, so the pattern looks completely same. It's just that they have played with colors. That's it. Like, there's no other difference, no other major difference I can see, apart from one difference which I can spot over here, that almost 40% of the frame is not matte finish, it's glossy finish. I actually have no idea about this, like what would be the reason behind it. Maybe they tried something new, in terms of cosmetics or colors or giving feel to the racket. And that's it. Like then there's no difference at all. Even this I'll be testing with X-Bolt 63 strung at 28 lbs tension, and I'll be giving you multiple reviews like how the ZZ, the Tor and the Gape are in terms of gameplay. What is the difference between each of these models, because 100ZZ is of course the flagship model, then we have got the Tour, and then we have the Gape. So there will be differences, and I'll explain it all in detail to you guys in the next video for sure. Keeping these two aside, let's now unbox the 100 Gape. Again, the same cover, Yonex logo, VA Victor Axelsen logo and Victor Axelsen's signature. Same elastic cover. Okay, so this now looks completely similar to the 100ZZ. White color, greyish beige color with green accents, and on the 5 o'clock region and the 7 o'clock region we can see over here as Astrox 100 Gape VA. Then there's rotational generator system in the Gape model as well. The shape is isometric. We've got the Astrox 100 Gape written on the shaft. Then Victor Axelsen's signature, PBSI logo, Yonex hologram as an identification that the product is genuine, and the serial number of the racket. And we've got the standard butt cap, no Japan written, and 100 Gape is manufactured in Taiwan. And key difference is that of course Game Series and Play Series have the rackets come pre-strung. Same goes with here. Same goes with this model as well. It's pre-strung with Yonex's logo. I'm gonna remove these strings, and I'm gonna string this racket with X-Bolt 63 as well at 28 lbs tension, and that's how I'll be able to give my 100% opinion about the differences of these rackets. But I've got 4 more surprises for you guys, and those are fresh VA collection kit bags. So let's see each of the kit bags one by one.